Hello, Sue here from Sue's Dog Bromlife Kitchen, and I hope you're all well today. I just wanted to show you, I was actually going to show you what I was going to do outside today, but it's pouring down with rain now, so I've actually decided to come inside the PollyTunnel for a little while and just put down the compost on top of the borders that we've already done, where Simon's already put topsoil on. I was just going to put some compost on top of those, not all the borders, but just on some of them. A couple of bags today, that'll do. We're on a fast today, so I can't actually do any kind of food videos. I was going to make another video, but I'll have to wait until I'm eating again, because I can't do food videos when I'm fasting, because obviously it doesn't make any sense. So anyway, sorry if I keep looking at the wrong bit on my phone. It's because you look at your face and you're not supposed to. You're supposed to look at the camera, but it's really hard to just look at the camera. So anyway, today I'll just show you quickly what I'm going to do, and then I'll show you once I've done it in my PollyTunnel today. I've just been to check on my chickens to make sure they're okay. They're all alright. I've mixed them all up now, so they're all together, so which is really great. So I'm really happy that I've let them all out together in the stable now. They're not allowed out because there's this flu thing going around apparently. I'm not sure. Anyway, so I'm just going to show you my PollyTunnel and what I'm going to do today. Okay, so hello again, Sue here from Sue's Dog Bromlife Kitchen. I just want to show you where I've just put the compost down. The multi-purpose compost. So it used 4 bags on this side. So I've done all of this side here. From here, probably could do with another little bit of compost, but it doesn't matter. We've got it all on the topsoil. And then when I actually put the plants in, I'll put a little bit more compost in where the plants are. And all down this side I've done, and the whole of the middle. So this was 4 bags of multi-purpose compost. And then the other side we need to do, so we got half of that one down there because I've already put some compost in with the plants, and then that one there, that one where there's 2 bags of compost, this one here needs doing, and I also need to put some compost on top of my potatoes. And then on top of that I'm also going to put in some hay from the animals, so I'm actually going to put a bit of that on. Anu's hay, so I'm going to put a bit of that on to keep it nice and warm, but I also need to get some more compost. So I've done all of this side, it's looking really good, and I've even got it on my rhubarb, and so all these plants are ready. They've all stopped growing at the moment, which is good, because those beans I had growing on the windowsill and they were getting a bit big, so they've actually got stopped now. By bringing them out here, it's stopped them from growing. One of them got a little bit of frostbite on it, but never mind. But so that's it really. So I just wanted to show you. It's still pouring down with rain outside, but it's lovely inside my PollyTunnel. It's wonderful. I don't get wet at all, and it's really warm in here. So here are my seedlings that I put in the other week. They're not actually doing nothing, but they're not dying either. They're just sitting waiting for the weather to warm up, and then they'll probably take off really quickly. So they're all done in there, and then I'm going to put some other things at the back probably next month to fill up this bed. Oops, a bit of water. So it's quite rainy outside. Yeah, I'll show you. Here you go, look, here's outside. Quite windy, nasty weather today. It's really not a very nice day today. Yeah, we've had some nice dry weather recently, but now because I want to actually get out in the garden and tidy it up with all the dead stuff and clear it all away and put a layer of mulch over it, it's now decided to rain. So I do have some bulbs in here. I need to get rid of all this rubbish. Oh, my tree's falling over. I kept the Christmas tree, but it's actually falling over. I'll leave it now until tomorrow and I'll pick it up. And then we got these 2 outside beds. And then all over there we want to put some more raised beds with some like cloches over the top, so they're protected from the wind and the rain, which we get quite a lot of here. But my PollyTunnel is absolutely gorgeous in here. It's amazing. I love it. Look at that. It's beautiful. So anyway, Sorry about that, I just switched my camera off, not around. Anyway, so I just wanted to show you my polytunnel today in the really horrible weather. It's 4 o'clock, it's starting to get dark, but it is staying light till about 5 o'clock now, I noticed. But it is starting to get dark, and I've finished today in the polytunnel. That's what I wanted to do today, and I've done it. So I'm really pleased, and now I need to get some more compost. I'll probably use those 2 bags of compost up. I definitely need another 3 bags though. You buy bags of 3. So I'm going to buy another bag of 3 because it's always good to have some for when I'm planting outside, when I'm going to put a new plant in the garden, like the trees and everything. And also just to have extra, it's really good. So when you're doing your seedlings and everything, you need extra compost for that. So that's it for now. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up and a like. So and share this video with anybody you think might be interested. I mean, nobody might be interested, but I'm not doing any food videos at the moment because I'm on a fast with my partner. So we're fasting at the moment, just for about 3 days, I think, till and then I'll start eating again. I'm going to be doing some more low carb, high fat recipes. Okay, so look out for those, and thank you for watching, and I hope you're not too bored with my videos, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Bye.